Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove WIX site from Google. So let's go to the WIX dashboard first. After go to WIX dashboard, you have to go to this site and mobile app. Now choose website and SEO. Sorry, don't click, just hover up your mouse on website and SEO. Now click on SEO. Now you have to scroll down until you find this SEO settings. Click on SEO settings. Now scroll down and you'll find here let search engine index your site, which is turned on. That means you are visible to Google. If you turn this off, click on toggle off this switch and you are now off from Google, or your site has removed from Google. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.